Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have Mammaprint. Mammaprint is actually a unique 70 gene, it is a 70 gene assay, and it will identify the early stage breast cancer patients who are at risk for distant recurrence. Whether there is increased chances of recurrence or not is identified by this Mammaprint. So it will classify the patients as low risk or high risk, and here the tissue is needed is paraffin embedded. Here paraffin embedded or fresh tissue is required.
thank you and thank you for watching.